basically, this is the edging pieces, and these are the clips which tie it all together, and they can be used as like intermediate to put it into the ground. So this is just a sample area to showcase the Corten edging. This is a few weeks old, so it hasn't fully rusted yet. It's just a sample area to showcase it. So first you just want to make sure you've got your area ready, and it's very simple. You just bang it in. So these are Corten Steel as well, and these clips basically are designed to just go over the top, and you can bang them in intermediately along your edging piece to put it into the ground. So we'll do the middle one. Okay, and then we'll do the two end pieces here. And then when it comes to joining the two Corten edging pieces together, you just want to make sure it's lined up, and then your joining clip will then go over both the pieces and simply just hammer it in together, and make sure it's about halfway into the ground, and that is basically it.